Good day, my name is Ted Jones and I'm with MarineMax in Stuart. We have just boarded a brand new 420 Boston Whaler Outrage. This is the boat. Fishing tournaments, cruising to the Bahamas, the Keys, hanging out at the sandbar with the family, having fun, dinner cruises, you name it, this is the boat for it. In the bow has a very nice seating area with removable cushions and a table that goes up and down. You can also use a filler cushion that you saw, so you can have the whole front area as a platform to lay out. Big sun lounger on the front of the console. Very comfortable for enjoying it. Lots of storage in this boat. Storage in the sides, storage in the floor. Boat is configured absolutely fantastic. Triple Helm seats, and they are the bolster type seats, so you can sit in them comfortably as a seat with the armrest, or flip them up and have an offshore bolster style. The Helm, all I can say is magnificent. Boat is set up with Mercury joystick, has control for your spotlight, triple ray marine screens with GPS fish finder capabilities. This boat also is equipped with Seakeeper, along with VHF radio, the Mercury active trim system for setting your power trim automatically. As we come into the cabin, very roomy. Tremendous amount of room in here for sleeping, for entertaining, getting out of the weather. There is a table that is in the down position at the moment that does come up. Nice cooking area, refrigerator. Small television. Why you're watching a television on a boat, I don't know. Enclosed head, shower setup. Really nice setup. Really nice. As we walk back out, you have a second seat. And this seat is very unique. At the moment it's folded up as a bolster. It does fold down as a proper bench. So it's very comfortable. In the back of this boat, there's a big folding seat that again is folded up, and a side seat that at the moment is folded up. They work absolutely awesome. This particular boat is equipped with a summer kitchen where you've got everything you need, from a live well, a grill, a sink, all the controls for it. Fantastic setup, and closes down and gets out of your way very easily. Boat has a big dive door on the side, great access for swimming, for pulling in that big fish, for hanging out at the sandbar, and it's powered by quad Mercury 350 Verados. I gotta tell you, this is a boat that you need to get out and ride on and check out. It rides incredible, it drives incredible. This boat is the wow factor. All right, well, I'd like to thank you for your time. Again, my name is Ted Jones, MarineMax in Stuart. Please feel free to call me anytime for more information or to get out and enjoy this boat. 772-263-6743.